Good morning, everyone. Sharing with you one of the random mornings we have in our home. So that's Bree and Georgie. Georgie is 5 months going 6, and Bree is now 2 years and 1 month old. And every morning we try to go out, have some sun, especially if my work is a little late in the morning. Today, meron kaming meeting together with our ates sa aming bahay. And so, we will go down by the pool. Diyan kami usually nagtatambay. Bree doesn't wanna ride her stroller anymore. Gusto niya lumalakad lang siya. And Georgie, kahit 5 months pa, nakaupo na siya sa stroller na pang 6 months. That's mommy. As you all know, sun exposure is very, very important. So kahit hindi direct sun, as long as you're outdoors, that can already help a lot. Ever since last year, nawala na kaming screen time, and at the same time, regular na yung tulog namin. We sleep around 8 in the evening and we wake up around 5 to 6:30 in the morning. And in here, we bought some food, breakfast meal from Jollibee. This is not a sponsored ad, but it's just one of our go-to breakfast. Our staff sa bahay, ang mga ates namin, and our extended families, hindi lahat naka-low carb. So, we bought rice meals for them. And for us, hindi lang namin ito kinakain. They usually save our rice for their lunch or their dinner. That's Bree with one of our neighbors na gustong-gusto niyang kalaro. Showing off her fake phone, which is just a remote. Pero alam niyang fake phone yan. And she likes gravy. And I know it's all processed food, but seldom do we eat these. So kapag meron, we don't deprive Bree for this experience to enjoy with the rest of our household. Pinapatikim din siya ng hot choco at pinapakain ng spaghetti at kakaunting rice, but mostly Bree is still on low carb, but she is not prohibited to tikim those food, and it's okay for me given that it's not available all the time. We just make sure that whenever she's hungry on a normal day-to-day basis, she's eating mostly meat and eggs and cheese, and also she's still taking full cream milk. Si Georgie ay kumakain na ngayon. Sinusubuan ko siya ng dinurog na sunny side up na egg from my breakfast meal. Soon, I will share with you the rest of Georgie's schedule sa kanyang 5th month introduction sa food. Sabi ng pediatrician niya, kailangan ma-expose na sa mga common allergens before 6 months old para malesen yung chance na magkaroon ng allergies or mag-develop ng food allergies later on in life. So si Bree, at 5 months, nakatikim na siya ng egg, chicken, peanut butter na plain, and many other vegetables, and also some fruits na not so sweet. So that's it. Yan lang muna yung update namin today. We hope you're also staying on low carb as much as you can. And if not, at least you know how to do it the moment you feel like you already need to better your health. Stay low carb, everyone. Stay safe. Cover lang kami ng konti sa aming mukha. Okay lang sa other parts of the body. Stay low carb. Stay safe. Bye-bye.